Look at me first. Who am I? I'm your social teacher. Look at me. Gandhi Ravi Kumar, what eating? Stand properly. Look at me here. Welcome back to Social Studies. SOCIAL, Social Studies. STUDIES, Social Studies. Social Studies. Okay, children, all are taken your notebook. Once show me your textbook. Show me your Social Studies textbook. Very good. Yes, in previous class what we learned? We learned hard words. Yes or no? Hard words and fill in the blanks we learned. So, today we are going to learn about question and answers. What we learned? Question and answers. Okay? Answer the following questions. Ganji Ravi Kumar, what eating for? Ganji Manoj Kumar. Okay, see here, look at me. Answer the following question. ANSWER. Answer the following questions. FOLLOWING. Following questions. 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 Answer the following questions. Look at me, all. Sit properly. Fold your hands. Don't touch children. Fold your hands. Read. I'm telling after you can read. Okay? See here. First question. What do we wear? What do we wear? WHAT. What? Do you do? What do we wear? WEAR. Wear. What do we wear? We wear clothes. What do we wear, children? We wear clothes. WEV, wear. WEAR, wear clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. Okay? Hold your hands. Look at me. First question. Answer the following questions. What? WHAT. What? Do? We. WEB. Where? WEAR. Where? What do we wear? We wear. WEV. Where? WEAR. Where? Clothes. 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 We wear clothes. What do we wear? We wear clothes. Next. What is your uniform? WHAT. What? ISC is what is your? YOUR. Your uniform. 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 What is your uniform? First, what is mean by uniform? We are studying in the school. Yes, we are studying in a school. And at a time when we are going to school, that time we wear uniform. We wear uniform. Did you remember, children? What is your uniform? Did you remember? So which color is there? Which color? Cream color. And your shorts, trousers. Which color is there? Blue color. So what is your uniform? What is your uniform? Our school. Oh, you are our school. SCHOOL. Our school uniform. UNIFORM. Uniform is cream and blue. CREAM. Cream and blue color. Cream and blue. What is your uniform? Our school uniform is cream and blue. Next. What? WHAT. What? Type of. What type of clothes do you wear? Do you wear? We wear cotton, silk, nylon cloths. Okay, children, see here. Answer the following questions. Fold your hands, Anna. Fold your hands. Look at me. What? WHAT. What? Do you do? WEV. WEAR. Where? What do we wear? What do we wear? We wear clothes. 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 Next. What? WHAT. What? IS is your. YO. Your. Uniform. 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 What is your uniform? What is your uniform? Our. Oh, you are our. We all are going to school. Yes or no, children? You are students. You all are students. You all are going to school. So, when we are going to school, we will wear school uniform. So, that's why I have written here our school. 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 Uniform. UNIFORM. Uniform is cream and blue. Cream and blue color. Cream and blue. Our school uniform is cream and blue. Next, what? Type. 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 OFR. Clothes. 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 Do you wear? Do you wear? We wear cotton, silk, nylon cloths. Cotton, silk and nylon cloths. nylon cloths. Okay, children. We wear cotton, silk, and nylon cloths. Are you clear the board? Take out your notebook and write in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Show me your C-notes. Show me your C-notes and write neatly. Right, children? What do we wear? We wear clothes. What is your uniform? Our school uniform is cream and blue. What type of clothes do you wear? We wear cotton, silk, and nylon cloths. Take out a notebook and write down. Right, children? Right? Ganji Ravi Kumar, Ganji Maheshwar brother, what are you doing, boy? Read and write, don't write simply. Read and write, children. What happened, Hemant? Batni Hemant. Write down, write neatly. Read and write. If you complete means raise your hands. Keep your videos on. Answer the following questions. What do we wear? We wear clothes. We wear clothes. What is your uniform? What is your uniform? Our school uniform is cream and blue. What type of clothes do you wear? What type of clothes do you wear? We wear cotton, silk, and nylon cloths. If you complete means raise your hands. Right, neatly, students? Right, neatly, children? And your homework also this one only one time. One time class work and one more time homework. So total 2 times you will send to me. You will take pic and send to me. Okay now? See children, one time class work and one time homework. Once we want to be wear. We wear clothes. What is your uniform? What is your uniform? Our school uniform is cream and blue. What type of clothes do you wear? We wear cotton, silk and nylon clothes. Write neatly children. If you have any doubts, you will ask me or I will send pictures. Write neatly students. Read and write children. Asna. Asna, sit properly and write down. Most of the children keep your videos on. Most of the children off your videos. Please keep on your videos. Write neatly. If you not complete means no problem. I will send a pic. Okay? I will send a pic. What second read, children? What do we wear? What do we wear? We wear clothes. We wear clothes. What is your uniform? Your uniform. Our school uniform is cream and blue. Cream and blue. What type of clothes do you wear? Do you wear? We wear cotton, silk and nylon clothes. Nylon clothes. Write neatly, students. Complete, children? No problem. If you not complete means I will send pic. And homework. This is a class hour one time and one more time your homework. So total 2 times you will send the pic. Okay, children? These question and answers you will send 2 times pic. Okay?